In this video, let's focus on the right side where we can show our name, avatar, and for adding the description. Alright, so let's go back to our code. In here, if we go back to our create, we can just collapse this aside and collapse the header, close that, and inside here we can start typing here div flex item center and say a gap of 2. You're not gonna have x avatar. You can add a class of width, let's say 9, height 9. H5, we can say font bold, fake name. Add bracket or not, I don't know, we'll check later. Next, we're gonna have a div. You're gonna have a text area. All right, inside the text area, let's add a class in here. You say border 0. We don't want it to highlight in any way. Focus border 0, px 0. It will just focus ring 0. Here we can say something like placeholder, add a caption. Okay. Now if we go and check, here let's make sure that, alright, here make sure that you close it to the text area. Okay, it's very important. And if we go back, awesome, now we have this input that we can write text here and showing our image and name here. Nice. Next, down here we're gonna have go and say something like after this div. Down here, let's open another div. We can say flex grid cause 12 items center. You can say input text. For the class, let's add the border. You know what, actually we can just copy the classes from here, these ones. It's gonna be pretty much the same. Just remove this height 32 from here. The placeholder is going to be add location. It's actually, we don't need this grid. Here we can just say width full. Now if we go back, you see we have add caption, and I spelled the caption wrong. Add location. So that's it. Next, let's go add something like access advanced settings here. So here, just fix this like that. And here, I'm gonna have a div dot. Now here you can say h6 text gray 500 font medium text base. You can say advanced settings. Inside this div down here you can say ul for list. We can have a list. Inside here we can say something like div flex item center gap 3 justify between. Here gonna say hide like and view counts on this post. Now if you go and check right now, you see, yeah, you have like advanced settings here, hide like or view count. Now we need something like a toggle button. For that we can go to here, let's search for floor byte toggle. We have a toggle right there. You can go down here where there are different toggles, and we can get the default toggle, the one in the middle. Expand code. Alright, down here, just paste it there. Then this one, just wrap it inside the span. We can just remove this class. Now if we go to our thing, awesome. You see now we can toggle this hide like or view count. Oh yeah, we can copy this list. Paste it down here. In here we can say something like turn off commenting. Alright, now if we go, awesome. Now we have where we can add a description, we can add a location here, we can turn off commenting or hide like or view count. Yeah, wrapping it up for this video. That's it. You can simply copy the code and then watch the video, make it faster for you. So I'll see you in the next video.